Daraga ni bag da yun, ubag lang.
Hey guys, yung araw, magpipick up tayo ng grocery sa 7-Eleven. Na in-order natin sa Too Good To Go. Sama pa si Noy Noy. Oh. Dito lang malapit yung 7-Eleven sa bahay. Try natin tingnan kung ano yung laman ng $4.99 na essentials groceries.
My pet bird died. My pet bird died. This guy. They're like doing that. Why does no sunset over there?
Lapit na tayo guys, yung tayo kukuha sa 7-Eleven.
Look at is that mountain again?
Yeah. Tayo guys, malapit na. For sure. Yeah? It's 25. You see? Yeah, 25.
That's like a lot of dollars.
Habang nag-aantay tayo lang. Ikot-ikot muna tayo guys.
I got this one before. I like these. And they cost $4.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
I didn't know this is for free.
Yeah.
Wait, I'll see some. What's this?
Uwi na tayo guys. Oh, may bag. Meron silang bag. Ito yung laman niya.
Wonder Bread. Hindi na tayo makatapay.
Bread. Fresh milk. And brownies. No more. Yan yung laman. Tatlo. $4.99.